everyone, it's Taylor here today, and welcome back to the Tailored Expressions YouTube channel. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Eclipse cards. So this is a trend and a technique that I've seen really gaining popularity lately, and so I wanted to walk you through a few of my own tips and tricks using this technique. It's really pretty easy to put together, but there are a few different ways you can do it. So here you can see our caps lock dad, which was cut into a background stamp and then popped up with foam tape, which is one way you can create the popped up effect. Then we have our caps lock mom that was cut into a stamped background. And then we have the card that I'm going to show you how I put together using our America the Beautiful stamp with the USA caps lock cut into that stamped image. So we're going to start with the stamp set, and I have it all set up here. I'm going to push that cardstock down into the corner of my MISTI, and then I'm going to lay the stamp over the top. I'm not too worried about it being straight because I am going to end up die cutting that out for my final project. I have Cherry Pop ink. I want to make sure I get nice even coverage with a twist and tap on that ink when I ink up that stamp. So then I just close the clear cover and we have a beautifully stamped crisp image there. And now we take our caps lock die. This is Caps Lock USA. The great part about our caps lock collection is that these letters are already connected and evenly spaced for you. So you don't have to try to get the letters that you want exactly lined up straight. We also have Caps Lock Dad, Grad, Mom, and we have several others coming in the future. So keep an eye out for the Caps Lock collection. So then we're going to remove that die. You can see the die cut pieces are still stuck in the die. My little trick is to go ahead and just drop that on your tabletop and those dies will kind of pop out. So important note, do not throw the little pieces away that come out from inside the letters. You can see the inside of the letter O that pops out. You want to save that. So any letter that has an opening, you want to save the inside die cut piece. And now here I have our Caps Lock USA cut from blue corn cardstock 4 times. And I'm just adhering those together. This is what's going to create the pop-up effect for the USA Eclipse card. And you want to make sure that you cut this from a contrasting cardstock. I like to do that because I think that it gives a little bit more of the effect you're going for. You want that word to be visible inside the cutout. So I'm placing those letters back together, and this is where it's important that you saved that inner piece. It's just going to fit right down inside there. And then you can see as I lift this up that the blue corn cardstock shows nicely in the background and pops out the word USA just subtly enough. So here's a look at the finished card using the wood grain background and the America the Beautiful stamp set. You can take a look at all of these products on our website at tailoredexpressions.com. Thanks for stopping by.